Welcome to your couch to 5K journey.
Starting any new exercise can feel overwhelming. This guide is designed for absolute beginners, helping you go from zero running experience to completing a 5K. All you need is a little motivation, comfortable shoes, and the willingness to take that first step. Let's break down the process so you can achieve your fitness goal with confidence.
Week-by-week training plan.
Begin with brisk walking and short running intervals. For the first week, try 1 minute of running followed by 1.5 minutes of walking. Repeat it several times. Each week, gradually increase your running time and decrease the walking. By week 8 or 9, you'll be able to run for 30 minutes continuously, which is about the distance of a 5K.
Essential tips for new runners.
Start slow and listen to your body. Wear proper running shoes and comfortable clothes. Focus on maintaining good posture, relaxed shoulders, and steady breathing. Hydrate before and after runs, and always include a 5-minute warm-up and cool-down to prevent injury. Rest days are just as important as running days for your progress.
Staying motivated and on track.
Set achievable goals and celebrate small milestones, like running a full minute without stopping. Find a friend or join a local group for added support. Tracking your progress, whether on paper or an app, boosts motivation. If you miss a day, don't get discouraged. Just pick up where you left off. Consistency is the key.
Crossing the finish line of your first 5K.
On race day, don't worry about your speed. Focus on finishing and enjoying the experience. Eat a light meal beforehand and pace yourself. Remember how far you've come from your first step off the couch. Finishing a 5K is an achievement to be proud of, opening the door to more active adventures ahead.